Another question we got was, can you explain the creditor protections of using a trust? Does that apply to a standard living trust or only upon the death of the trust, or does it provide protections?
Okay, so that's a very good question. So let me clarify. When I, Shadi, create a trust for myself, if it's just a revocable trust, right? That type of trust is avoiding probate. That is typically what most people in California need. 90-some% of the public clients come through the door need just a revocable estate plan. I don't have creditor protection, right? So when I take this property and I put it in my trust, if I go and text someone and I'm not paying attention and I, hurt them really bad, or God forbid they die because of my car accident, they could sue me just because that property is in that revocable trust. That is not, I don't personally have creditor protection. My reference to creditor protection was when I, Shadi, leave my boys money in my trust to them, how the attorney drafts it can provide my children creditor protection, so that when I die in the future, if my boys each get, let's say, $500,000 each from my trust because I've got a life insurance policy in there, the way I draft, the way that trust is drafted, if they've got a judgment or if they go hurt someone and the money's in the trust, we could actually protect it because it was mom's money that she gave the sons and not their own money sitting in their account, so that a creditor can attach to that. I hope that explains it. Yeah. There are more advanced planning type trusts where you, the person, can have creditor protection, but those are really high end. I mean, those are advanced type trusts that you have to get really good guidance on, and you don't get your cake and eat it too. So sometimes you lose control over that, right? So if I put my house in a trust where I want creditor protection, sometimes I'm not the trustee and I can't control this asset. That's a lot more detail that I think is not good to go into here at the moment.
It gets very particular, very specific.
Yeah.